Hello everyone, welcome to host-tune-perform.com. So this is the second chapter of a series which is installing JMeter on Windows machine. So to do it, you need to do two steps. First step is you will have to install Java. Second is download and extract JMeter. So let's go and install Java. To install Java, just go to Google and type in install Java. Here you will find up this link which says that download Java for free. So here you can just go on, click on download Java. This will take you up to this page, and then click on agree and start free download. So this setup will be downloaded. This is Java runtime environment setup. This is not JDK, which is Java development kit. What is the difference between JDK and JRE? You can find it in different videos of within our community, that is host-tune-perform.com. For now, you can just go ahead and download Java setup and then run it and install it on your PC. So just to save time, I've already installed it. So this is a wizard installation. You just need to click install and then next. So it will get installed by itself, put up all the registries by itself. So this is a good tool to install Java. How to check it that Java has been successfully installed? So just go to a command prompt and type in Java -version like this, Java -version. So it will give you this Java version, which version you're using, Java SC runtime environment. This is not a JDK, which is development kit environment. And then Java hotspot, which is 64-bit server, which as I am running on 64-bit Windows. The next step for you to do is you need to download and extract JMeter. So these will be the same steps which you need to follow on Linux. So I will just say it something like this, that these are the similar steps which you have to follow in Linux and Windows. So you need to install Java, and we have the same type of installer even for Linux. So now when you have installed Java, now you need to go to again Google and say download JMeter. After doing this, you will be seeing the official page of JMeter, which is this jmeter.apache.org. Just open up it. So you are already on download page, which is this download releases, and you can see that you will be able to find two things over here, which one is binaries and other is the source code. So binary is the compiled version. You need to go and install the download the binary version. Source code is something which you require when you need to change the structure of JMeter. So JMeter is a software which is built on Java, and it gives its source code as it is open source. You can make changes to it and use it as per your compatibility. But if you are doing this, you need to go ahead and change the again compile it and produce it into binaries. So this is the latest version of JMeter, which is JMeter 5.2.1. I will download the zip version for Windows, and this is the version for Linux or Unix, which is TGZ. What is TGZ? TGZ is a file which is star archive that has been compressed using GNU zip software commonly used on Linux and system. So it is nothing so different from zip. It is the same thing. It is just that it has a different format, and different techniques are used to compress it for Linux and Unix. And you have a command in Unix, you can Google it, find it out, to uncompress it. This is just a compressed folders. So you will, when you download, you will download a file something like this, and this is all you need to do to download and install. Java installation counts on nothing. You just have to extract. So meanwhile this is happening, we will go ahead and download the plugin manager, which is also an important aspect of JMeter. I will just explain what it is for. You can see that we have JMeter plugins.org. Just go over here, plugins manager. Sorry, this is the one. This is what we require, plugins manager, which is the same. So you just go over here and here's a jar file. Just click over here and download this jar file, which is plugin manager JMeter plugin. This is very important tool. I will explain you why it is this will be required. So the JMeter has been extracted. Now you can see it over here that it was version 5.2.1. This 5.2.1. I'm just opening it. You can see that it has so many folders. Bin is a folder which contains the binary files. To open up JMeter, it has some important files such as system.properties, which is over here, user.properties. Then we have JMeter-server. So we will talk about it a little later. Now let's see on some more folders, which is documents, which is not used much. Extras, this is where the JMX, the script gets saved, not of interest right now. This is the library folder. So these are the jar files. As I've already told you, JMeter is built on Java. So these are the jar files which are being used by JMeter, and any extra jar file which you want to use within JMeter will be going to libext. Okay, then these are the licenses. Again, we do not require licenses for JMeter. We do not use this much. These are also like not touched by most of the developers like our testers. So how to run JMeter? Just go to this folder, then go to bin and go over here and click on JMeter.bat, which is Windows batch file. This is the triggering point for all these files. You just click on it, so JMeter will get opened. Just wait for 2 seconds. You can see at JMeter, Apache JMeter TM. So this is JMeter. So we've already installed it successfully. So we will not talk about it much. Let's go ahead and install the plugin manager. How to do that? We have already downloaded it. So I'm just keeping it. So we have already downloaded it, which is JMeter plugin manager. We downloaded it from, like, go to Google and say plugin manager, jmeterplugin.org. The documentation, you need to download this jar file. To install it, you do not need to do anything. Just cut it and go to the folder, go to lib, go to ext and paste it. One important thing is you should close JMeter before doing this activity, because if it is already open, this will not read it. Now as it is already closed, we will go again to JMeter bin and we will reopen it. JMeter plugin manager is very important. Why it is important, we will discuss in later chapters. But as you see that we were not having this tab before. You can see over here that we were not having this tab before. This is JMeter plugin manager. This came after we put up that jar file in here. So these are already installed plugins. These are available plugins. So their usage we will discuss later. But as a good practice, you should, while installing JMeter, you should also install JMeter plugin. Thank you very much.